To set the caption style to white on black in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap caption preference and then tap caption size and style. Tap caption style and then select white on black. Now the caption will be shown with white letter in the black background. As a note, if you have set to enable the caption, this setting will be applied to live caption and other apps that support the caption preferences. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.